What's going on, guys? Zach here, and welcome to another video. Today I have another showcase of one of my old games, and this game actually never made it to the marketplace, never made it to Yo-Yo Game Sandbox. It never left my computer, and it was a pretty big project, but it wasn't your conventional game that you would do with GameMaker. The thought process behind, and it wasn't really a game to begin with either, it was more of a betting software. So the idea we had for this, and when I say we had another designer on it, and we wanted to create a game that was completely AI driven, that 4 teams would go against each other, and they all had different stats in these teams, right? So you would have, the red team, which had more strength but had less speed, and they had a different strategy on how they sort of formed and all that. And then you had the purple team that would be quick and very agile and shoot a lot faster, but they had less health, and so on and so forth. So what we wanted to do was create stream the game and connect it to HTML software where you could actually bet these chips onto a website, and based on how good you were at predicting these things, and just through experience, you could bet accordingly on that. Which would just, and we call it gray bets because they would be gray chips. So that was it was all out there. So we didn't actually have any art for it though, so it's all temporary art. But I can go ahead and show you. I'll play the game here, and you can sort of see what it's like. So here we have the green team where you start out, and this camera is fully operated by itself. I'm not pressing any buttons or anything. So, and you have the mini map as well, and you kind of have the central hub, which you can see I made that art because it looks awful. But the idea was also that if these AI driven ships, but they're triangles now, but they would have been ships, could control that central location, then they could have a perk for that ship, so they would be able to shoot more faster and all that. So, and the other team would have to overcome and try and take back that center point, and this would all be coded in the AI. So as you can see, they just got them. So right now it's red against green. There's one ship left, and you can see how far this AI went, because right now there's one ship versus one ship, and they're not really they don't know the other one exists. So it's sort of out there. Let me go ahead and restart the game just so we can. Oh, and it looks like green won. Alright, let's run it again. And there would be different maps as well with different points. We also wanted there's a main boss, or a mothership, so to say, that would move slower, and if you took out the mothership, then you could get it would be a disadvantage for all the other little ships. So again, this was purely AI driven, so along with the perks of the strength and the fire rate and all that things, each team would have a different strategy for it, and this would be previewed to you through the stream and the website. So you could basically, if it says the green team, alright, the green team wants to go for the mothership first, or the blue team wants to get that central hub first, right? But so you gotta kind of pick and choose. Okay, well, yeah, these guys, along with all the other perks of the fire rate and all that, do these ships want they want to kill the mothership, but that whole team is going toward the center? But will me killing that mothership outweigh them controlling the center? So that's sort of the whole thought process in this. And again, this didn't make it too far. We had all the HTML scripts actually worked out, and we had it working. We were missing all the content, but then we were getting into sort of easily, we were trying to do an anti-hack thing, because the way we were transmitting data from the website to GameMaker, it could have easily been disrupted through the transfer, and it wouldn't have gone well. Let me restart the game. Looks like blue won this time. Run it again. And it's kind of cool to watch, especially when we were getting to the bigger stages of it with the bosses and the different strategies. It was really cool to watch. I actually couldn't find. This is a little bit of an older build because I could not find the other file for it. But yeah, so here it is, you know, in space, little triangles, and it's cool. So yeah, that's gonna be it for today. If you have any questions about the game, it'd be cool. I could talk to you guys in the comments about it. So go leave a like, go and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is Gray Bets. You know, what a great name for it. But yeah. All right. Peace out.